motion is already going. The hip's already going. You may as well land the kick. Traditionally, it's the kick to the groin, and it was there. But for training now, we're just using the thighs. Any questions? Slow watch. One and slow and roll kick. You try to roll. Watch how he rolls his thigh. He doesn't want me to hit the femoral nerve. He lets me hit the quad. If I kick on the outside, he lets me hit the quad. That way you start getting contact and this becomes insensitive. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right, slowly. Just give it a go. All right, Todd, get something there. All right, so in review before we add to this, I run into a body. I'm trying to punch, and put his hands up. That's the trapping. Does that make sense? Okay? So from here, I box out, wedge, slops out. Look at the back. Remember I told you when you punch? Remember the back foot? Watch your back foot. See the extension of the body? The penetration of the punch? Does that make sense? All right, I can back this. It's fine. But usually I just slap the punch on a finger jab. Follow me? Okay. Most Bruce Lee's movies, not this, right? It's cool. I mean, that's the shot. Sorry. All right? Do we have that forward? Okay, that's what we're going to do. One side put on mitts, other side there, no. All right, watch. This is called a split entry. And I'm going to show you this, and then we're going to add the traps to it. And then we'll work on the confidence class. All right, so watch. All I want you to do is keep this over here. This represents his face. Okay? When he throws the punch, you have to slip the punch. You have to have the boxer slip through. You can do it without the hand, or you can do it with the hand. Does that make sense? See, that would be the shot. See it? Watch slow motion. See, that's the shot. That would be the try. Okay, you just go. All right? So slow motion. One. Because this does what? Does it lock out there? No, it doesn't. So his retraction is my trap. Does it make sense at all?
Yeah.
Okay? So I hit him. If I have to trap this, that's fine. And then follow me? This is Michael Chrysler. He's been with me for 15 years. Well, one of the buzzers you showed us both for 15?
Yeah.
15 years now. He's an associate instructor under me. He didn't get to come out here much anymore because he lives in Clarksville. But I slip the punch. See, this is the hit. I can go high with it, or I can go low with it. Bruce Lee used to like chop toy. Watch. It's that little boy. Never was living. All right, watch. Can we get the kick? Can we try? All right, one more time. Watch this flip. I move my head offline. Not much. I like the glove to graze my cheek or my head. See? I can go low, or I can go high. When I go low, it's pin choy. I turn the hand over, or it's chop choy. See? If I go high, it's vertical, or it would be here, right? In reality, it would be here. It's always here. Okay, we're here. Right? Here we go. Sir. Isolated. If ever you have problems when you're learning anything, even take this back to your Taekwondo schools also. If you're having problems with something, you take. I used to, I remember I was testing for first grade. I was 11. I think I was 11 or 12 when I tested for first grade. And I couldn't get the twist kick. I couldn't get my hips to turn over. Now, I'm going to tell you what I did. I'm not saying you should do this, but I'm going to tell you what I did. I would take all my school books that night, and I would lay in bed with them on top of my feet like this. So, it got to the point where I'm walking around. My hip was just so, quick kick, so come on, alright? So I isolated that twist kick over and over and over and over. Alright, so I want you to do that too. So just isolate it. She throws the punch, boom, just hit her. Boom, just hit her. Boom, just hit her. And then activity. Right, first trap. Trapping on the mitts is what most Jeet Kune people neglect. I think it's so important. It's funny that Jeet Kune people love hitting mitts, but when it comes to trapping, they rather do it in the air. It's like in the Filipino martial arts. All the Filipino martial arts love clinging sticks, but when a knife's in their hand, they're just going to play in the air. And they never hit something with a blade. When we get to the comedy portion, we'll talk about that. Okay? I think you got to functionalize it, and I think the mitts helps. I think it progressively introduces chaos, and then I think the mitts is the precursor to the sparring. When you spar, listen, you want to be good at it, just spar it. You'll learn right away what you're capable of and what you're not. You pull all this. Okay? But I think that there's a pre-sparring phase that one must go through, and I think that this was a good start. Later on, we put boxing gloves on. You put one mitt, one boxing glove, and let him try to hit you with his mitt. And all I can do is a split entry where he's trying to hit my nose. Okay, so that's another element we can do. We're not doing that. All right, so watch it. I split it, and then I'm going to pop it out. The wedge is still there. Yeah, I got it. All right, so I go one. Here we go. Show me something. Circle. Go. Nice. Let's go. When it comes to the trappy range, the hardest part is learning what hand's open, what hand's closed. That's the hardest part. This drill that I told you earlier, right now, home, if you do that every day, your coordination will be amazing. How quick it will skyrocket coordination. Nothing skyrockets coordination like the Filipino martial arts. But Jeet Kune definitely, because of the trapping range, I think a lot of artists become at that range. In the trapping range, it requires a little more coordination than most times in the other range. But hey, you guys are amazing. You're so big. Any questions?